Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your investment with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your investment with Vanguard, start by gathering all necessary documents related to your current investment account. Visit the Vanguard website to access your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Log in to your Vanguard account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer an Account option. Click on it to begin the transfer process. You will be prompted to select the type of account you want to transfer. Choose the appropriate account type, such as an IRA, brokerage, or 401k. Next, select the financial institution where your investment is currently held. Fill in the required account details for your current investment account. Provide any additional information Vanguard may require for the transfer. Review the information carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit your transfer request once everything is filled out. You'll receive a confirmation of your transfer request via email. Monitor your Vanguard account for updates on your transfer status. Be aware that transfers can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks to complete. Once your transfer is finalized, you will receive another notification. At this point, you can view your investments on your Vanguard account dashboard. If you have any issues, reach out to Vanguard's customer service for assistance. Now you are ready to manage your investments with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.